Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best audiophile headphones in 2021 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. The Kingston HyperX Cloud II is one of the oldest audiophile headphones for gaming that still manages to tick on. The construction is a combination of metal and plastic with faux leather wrapping over the headband and the memory foam of ear cups. Kingston also throws in an extra pair of ear cups with a velour covering that's more fitted for professional gamers who spend hours with these headphones on their heads. On the left ear cup, there's a detachable microphone, and it comes with a USB soundcard module that houses the bulk of the controls. You can utilize the 3.5mm output jack to connect the headphones to any console, but on the PC, you'll have to switch to the soundcard as it operates as a digital to analog converter, processing the sound before it reaches your ears. The sound quality is top-notch. The Cloud II presents an immersive gaming experience with great accuracy in directional sound and the 7.1 surround sound to boot. If you pay a lot of time in FPS games, you'll be able to pick the direction that the firing is originating from. These conventional wired over-ears are very well known amongst audio fans and sound engineers, and are the best studio headphones we've experimented. It offers pro-grade build quality and audio performance for expert studio-based production, location recording, DJing, podcasting, and daily listening. Equipped with 45mm large aperture dynamic drivers and an over-ear closed-back design, the ATH-M50X headphones give clarity, deep bass, and extensive bandwidth while isolating you from outside noise. Gratitude to the 90-degree swivel ear cups, pro-quality stuff, and generous cushioning on the headband and ear pads. The headphones are both durable and easy to wear. 3 detachable, single-sided cables, 1 coiled and 2 straight, are included for optimal operation in the studio or on the go, and they're more creative for use in the studio or while at home. They lack many active traits in comparison to the most popular Bluetooth options. Their audio cable doesn't highlight a microphone or inline remote, so they don't have any controls or the capability to take phone calls. On the bright side, their wire design indicates you don't have to worry about battery or latency issues, though you may require an adapter to use them with more latest headphones without a headphone jack. If you are searching for premium audiophile headphones under the $500 price point, Audeze LCD-1 can be worth giving serious thought to. The LCD-1 is a critical tool for anyone who values pure, neutral, and precise sound. The soundstage and pinpoint imaging reveal the entire depth and detail of the music, allowing producers to fine-tune their mix with full confidence. The headphones are sensitive enough to be driven by compact music players such as iPods, iPhones, and other smartphones. Instead of using conventional dynamic cone drivers, the headphones perform a neodymium planar magnetic transducer design to produce a frequency response of 10 Hz to 50 kHz with a THD of less than 0.1% and an impedance of 16 ohms and an effectiveness of 99 decibels per 1 megawatt and a total output SPL of over 120 decibels when driven by 15 watts. The advantages of a planar magnetic design include faster transient response due to the lighter diaphragm, broad frequency response with low distortion, better heat dissipation, fewer moving parts for higher durability without the kind of sonic degradation that cones are susceptible to, and better amplifier agreement because the circuit functions as an almost completely restive load. If you have an affinity for vintage design, the odds are high that Audio-Technica ATH-W1000Z could be the ideal choice for you. What makes these headphones stand out is the grain wood housing, made of the natural teak. Aside from improving the design elements of the headphones, the wood housing also plays an essential role in enhancing the sound quality by reflecting thick and natural bass sound. The sturdy 53mm drivers, coupled with the double air dampening system, allow ATH-W1000Z to produce high-quality sound. Furthermore, the headphones come with bobbin-wound OFC 7N voice coils that provide nuanced sound reproduction. Whether you are an audiophile or sound engineer, you would truly enjoy ATH-W1000Z's repertoire of precision sound reproduction. That's why the ATH-W1000Z is ranked high on our list of top audiophile headphones. The lightweight magnesium frames and baffles included in the wood housings reduce unwanted resonance. Plus, it also highlights a dual-sided 4-core parallel cable, highlighting a thermoplastic elastomer sheath to ward off tangling. The HIFIMAN Arya are open-back, planar magnetic headphones created with fans of neutral sound in mind. They have a very neutral, though somewhat bright sound profile, and recognition of their open-back design. Their soundstage is perceived as wide and spacious. They're also very convenient and have a fabulous build quality. That says they won't be the best option if you're looking for a pair of handy headphones, since they leak a lot of audio and don't block out ambient noise. Nevertheless, they excel in neutral audio reproduction, which should satisfy audiophiles. Another trait that puts HIFIMAN Arya ahead of the curve is the window shade system. It not only gives the essential protection to the driver against accidental damage, but also makes way for a pretty handy open-back design. The soft ear cups, joined with a well-thought-out open-back design, make the headphones ergonomic. The use of metal and sturdy plastic has endowed HIFIMAN Arya with a top-tier build quality, so you can assume these premium audiophile headphones will last long. Now, taking everything into account, Arya deserves to be in the premium bracket courtesy of the excellent sound quality and modern window shade design that never fails to garner praise. If a premium build and top-of-the-line sound quality are what you need, the Sennheiser HD800S could be the answer to your requirements. Sennheiser is well known for manufacturing high-end headphones for pros, and the HD800S has everything to be called a great pick. Sporting an open back and over-ear design, these wire headphones are comfy to wear for hours on end. Its 56mm transducer is housed in stainless steel, while its headband and mounting use industrial, aerospace-grade materials to highlight durability at a comparatively light weight of 11.6 ounces. Sennheiser's proprietary sound absorber technology protects the integrity of the highest of high ends by killing the masking effect, a phenomenon in which the ear struggles to listen to exceptionally bright signals when lower frequency material occurs concurrently at a louder volume. In decreasing this masking effect, every difference of the frequency spectrum is represented and made audible. The ear cups are super comfortable, enabling you to wear headphones for hours without feeling tired. Furthermore, they are designed to detect sound waves to the ear at a slight angle in order to give an immersive, spatial listening experience. If you liked the video, please feel free to share, subscribe, and give a comment down below.